Unlock your brain capacity. Greetings! The human brain is considered the most complex machine in the world. Learning more about it will amaze you. The progress man has achieved so far, according to scientists, represents only 10% of our full brain power. It is sometimes said that if people were able to use their brain 100%, they would be unable to maintain their existence. It would simply dissolve, knowing the most intricate secrets of the universe. However, the most amazing thing about this is that most of us can't even use the full 10% of our brains due to anxiety and poor habits in our lives. Have you ever wondered why this is so? How can we redeem ourselves? In today's video, we will show you how to fully use your brain. Stay tuned and be sure to watch until the end. The fundamental problem regarding mental clarity and focus is an inability to correctly fuel your brain power. Some diet habits and adjustments, in fact, make your brain more efficient, up to 70% more than its standard capacity. Stay tuned to learn more. Don't forget to click the bell icon. It's important to know that one of the most popular potent ingredients for brain health support are essential fatty acids found in omega-3s. These can help your brain and memory stay sharp. Fish oil supplements are also a popular way to ingest necessary omega-3s if seafood is missing from your regular diet. Taking antioxidants is a second option to sharpen your brain. These are crucial parts of cellular health, and fighting free radicals is essential for ideal cognitive function, Grodstein 2003. Specific fruits and veggies such as blueberries with antioxidants, tomatoes with lipocene, broccoli with vitamin K, and pumpkin seeds with zinc are all touted as healthy brain food snacks due to their rich nutritional content. These represent two different diets to energize the human brain and unlock its overall capacity. But wait, there's more. Stick with us and watch the video until the end. The third action you can take is to maintain blood flow at an ideal level. Ginkgo is known as a popular supplement to support brain health and memory. And finally, brain health depends on more than eating a specific diet and ingesting healthy supplements. Exercise also comes into play. I'm not talking about physical exercise, but in fact, exercise your brain. Puzzle games such as Sudoku are a useful tool to unlock your brain's full potential. So guys, thanks for watching our video in which I shared some tips to fully utilize your brain's capacity. Share this video with your loved ones to help their brains operate at maximum strength as well. Be sure to use the comment box to ask questions or provide feedback. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for more video content.